Yes.
He's outstanding. Both of them. Wait till he starts.
How the hell who's going to be in?
He's not even started.